Hypotheticals in high gear. Master English with role-playing scenarios. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting and fun part of language learning: hypothetical questions. In this video, we're going to explore how these questions work, and then put them into practice with some exciting role-playing scenarios. Hypothetical questions are not only a great way to practice English, but they also open the door to creativity, encouraging us to think outside the box. Hypothetical questions are those that describe a situation that is not real or hasn't happened yet. We often use them to imagine different scenarios, discuss possibilities, or explore outcomes. The most common markers of hypothetical questions in English are what if, suppose, or imagine, followed by a condition. Example: what if you won the lottery? Suppose you could travel anywhere. Where would you go? Imagine you were the president. What would you do? Take note that we often use would, could, or might in our responses to express possibility or potential actions. These are called modal verbs. Role-playing scenarios are an excellent way to practice hypothetical questions. By adopting a character or situation, you get a chance to use English in a dynamic, imaginative way. This method not only makes your learning experience more fun, but also helps you understand how to use hypothetical questions in everyday conversations. Let's look at some scenarios where you can practice hypothetical questions. 1. Aliens have landed. Imagine you're in a situation where you have to communicate with aliens. Think about the hypothetical questions you might ask each other. Example: what if we could learn your language? Would that help our communication? Alien: suppose we didn't come in peace. What would your reaction be? 2. Lost in time. Pretend you've time traveled to the past or future. What kind of hypothetical questions could you ask to people from that time? Example: in the past, what if you could see the future technology? Would you be excited or scared? In the future, imagine you could travel back to my time. What would you want to experience? 3. Presidential power. Pretend you're the president for a day. What questions might your advisors ask you? Example: advisor: suppose you have the power to change one law. What would it be and why? Remember, the key to mastering hypothetical questions is practice. Role-playing gives you the freedom to be creative, while also preparing you for realistic conversations. And that's a wrap for today's video on hypothetical questions and role-playing scenarios. Keep practicing these scenarios, invent new ones, and see how your English conversational skills flourish. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language. So, keep your imagination running, and let your English take flight. We hope you found this video helpful, and until next time, happy learning!